Hey yo, what's up guys? In this video I want to show you how to get free tokens in your Blooket account. Please follow this video step by step to receive the reward. It's very simple, it's a Blooket event for all Blooket player. Now let's go. I want to enter in your Blooket account, as you can see. Now I'm on my Blooket account and I open a new tab. I searching www Go Token Pro. Remember, Go Token Pro. I press enter, and this page it's loading. Token events. Events offer 3000 tokens. Blooket username. I enter my Blooket username, the box one. You can find your Blooket username here, as you can see, the box one. And now I have 10 tokens. Please stay here to find the video. I want to show you a proof on this method. I buy a package, token events, as you can see. This is website status online, last update 2 days ago, online user. This is recent activity. This website is work on any device, Android, iOS, desktop. Now I use my computer for this tutorial, but you can use your phone. As you can see, this person uses Android. Please like this video and subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials, guys, and comment if you need help. As you can see, this is people comments. You can add the comments here on this button. Now we sending resource. It's almost down. Success. The box one is connected, resource is ready, transfer to user, finish it. Don't scare, this is a simple human verification. Please verify that you're a human, click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Verify now. And as you can see, human verification request, verify survey. You can select one of these survey. You need to select one of these survey to complete and prove you are not a robot. You can select view more for more survey. I select this survey, and as you can see, follow the instructions. Send a CMC to this number. Now I put the video on pause because I can send a CMC and record it at the same time, but I will be back, guys. Good guys, I am back. As you can see, now I send the CMC on this number. Now I want to check this is finished. I enter on this, and as we can see, this is finished. Now you can close all page, and as you can see, I am on my Blooket page, and congratulations, you won 3,000 tokens. I press climb, and now I have 3,000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. I want to check this on buy all one package. I buy this package, yes, and as you can see, guys, it's work fine. Please follow this video step by step. Please like and subscribe, and bye bye.